Hey guys, it's Jessica. So I am kitting up a Diamond Art Club painting today. It is the Four Seasons painting that came in the starter kit. So I don't feel like it's been that long since I first ordered one of these, and I have finished 2 Diamond Art Club kits and 3 from AliExpress. And I'm actually really excited to go back to a Diamond Art Club kit because I've been doing the AliExpress ones for a while, and I've actually been really happy with them, and they are so cheap. So I really want to go back to this and be like, oh, right, so that's why they're so much better. And I think number one, just opening it, is the canvas. This is just so much nicer, and already there's no folds in it. I've been having lots of trouble with wrinkles and folds and getting them out. Look at that, winter, fall, summer, spring. Oh, I'm excited about this one. So I will tell you that I think I mentioned I got a new computer, and so I lost my Photoshop Premiere or Adobe Premiere, whatever it's called that you edit videos on, and we got a new program, but I don't know how to use it yet, so I still can't edit videos. So I'm just going to tilt the camera because I think it's more fun to look at the diamonds while I talk rather than me talking why you can't see the diamonds and stuff. And I'm just going to chat about what I'm doing while I'm kitting this up. So thanks for watching and listening to me talk about crafting, and I think I could not have gotten this lighting worse if I tried. So, oops. Actually did try to make it not terrible too, but clearly I failed. All right, so here are the diamonds that come with Four Seasons. So I'm still loving the little containers I bought with Diamond Art Club's starter kit. Oh, there's going to be lots of crinkling, isn't this? Because I don't have a mic on. I really should have touched the mic. Ooh, lessons learned. How to be a YouTuber. It is not easy to be a YouTuber. So those of you who put videos on your channel all the time, I'm going to say I bow down to you and your superior skill, because I am just making this up as I go along, and I am not a professional YouTuber. Oh my gosh, look at, okay, the vibrant colors. And again, sometimes it's like, you know, is it because it's Diamond Art Club that you get these incredible drills, or is it just this particular painting that I picked? I don't know, but these are gorgeous. I will say that I actually think I had more trash drills in the butterfly that I did from Diamond Art Club than any of the AliExpress paintings. So that is a little disappointing, but, you know, everyone includes so many extra drills. Like they all have these policies of what to do if you run out of drills, and I don't know how you could ever run out of drills. I have always had so many extras for every painting I've done, regardless of the company. So let's just start collecting these. The way I kit up is just by writing the number on the top. When I first started, I drew the symbol, and then I realized I couldn't tell what I drew. I guess the last company I used, I thought I ordered them on Amazon, but it turns out they were also AliExpress, and I will try to see if I can find out who I ordered from and stick them in the description box. And all these links in this description box, they're not affiliate links. I don't have affiliates to anyone. Nobody gives me anything. Wonder why, right? I don't even edit the videos. Why would you give me something? But I'll try to link below. So one thing that I really liked is rather than any symbols, they used alphabet letters. And so it was only 20 colors or 25 colors. And so they started with the numbers 1 through 9 and then did the alphabet. And it was, why doesn't everyone do this? This is so easy to look for the numbers and the letters and not, you know, like, what's funny is I will always say, like, oh, it's the division sign. And my husband comes over and he's like, that's a percent symbol. I'm like, oh, but I'm doing it on a diagonal. I guess with the 6 and the 9, like, that could get kind of confusing. But I just put, like, a period next to it so I know which number I'm looking at on my drills. And I feel like overall it's easier. Oh, they all fell down. All right. Oh, my gosh. Can you see that? Like, is that a marigold color? How gorgeous is that? Oh, this is supposed to have, like, an AB, but I don't know if their paid paintings have better AB, but I feel like I haven't been super happy with what they're calling AB, at least compared to rhinestones. I know, you know, that the diamond drills are plastic, and when I think of AB, I think of, like, Preciosa or Swarovski rhinestones, and obviously that's just a different level from the Diamond Art. Oh, I've actually done more than I thought because I've done a mixed drill one too. That one I filmed the video of, I need to get it up because the mixed drill was incredible. Like, because they weren't drills so much as they were rhinestones. And so the colors and the, is that an 8 or a 6? Uh-oh. I don't know. What do you think, guys? 805, 605? I don't know. I'm going to call it an 8. Ew, I don't know. This could cause some problems. I mean, I guess if there is a 605 or another 805 or whatever, the chance of it being pink is pretty small. I'll figure it out, right? If the square is dark blue or something, I'm not going to put pink on it. But I cannot tell. Oh, now I think it's a 6 because I think that those are different numbers. So I think that's 648. Oh, goodness, goodness, goodness. I don't know. So I guess that's another thing with the last one is they just had like the number 1, right? It was that they were just numbered 1 through 20. So now if you save your drills, DMC numbers, and I'm assuming these are DMC numbers, right? Like that's probably super helpful. I save my drills like in a vase that I'm just filling up, although it is filling up fast because everyone has so many extra drills in their kits. So I save my drills, but I don't really know why because like, what do you do with the extra drills? And I'm really trying not to hoard, and it's hard enough not to hoard the diamond paintings, right? You want to buy like 1,000 of them because what if suddenly all of them disappear off the earth, you know? You need tons and tons in your stash because what if diamond painting disappears and you got to have all that you need for the rest of your life, right? Because that's totally why we hoard craft stuff. So anyway, I'm trying not to hoard, so I don't have a system to save all my drills. I just mix them all together. They fill up a vase. I think it's interesting to kind of watch how the colors change. Like if you watch like Sophia Nygaard's channel and she mixes all of her palettes or all of her nail polishes or all of whatever she owns together. And that's like what I feel like I'm doing with the diamond painting is like, what's the average color of the diamond painting? Colors categorical data. You cannot take an average. That was bad math. Okay, I feel like these diamonds are just, or these are just more brilliant than the cheap ones, or maybe it's like a confirmation bias. You know, you spend a lot of money on Diamond Art Club, so you think it's better, but I just really, really think these colors are just in your face, just so gorgeous. Okay, so really rambling, but speaking of color, will those focus? I don't know if they will. Can you see the color on my nails? So this is ILMP Iridescent Flakes. Holo Taco also has iridescent flakes that they call unicorn skins. And oh my God, I'm obsessed with the iridescent flake nail polish. I was really into the holo nail polish for a while. A lot of nail polish YouTubers, obviously Christine from Simply Nailogical, I mentioned Holo Taco. Like she loves the holo, but obviously the unicorn skins too, right? But now I feel like I just really like the black or the white with that unicorn skin. Oh my God, y'all, I could not have worse lighting. I gotta find a different setup for this. So with the diamond painting, I've been having a lot of fun. One thing I will say that Diamond Art Club definitely does better is the sticky wax. The wax that's been coming with the cheaper paintings, I feel like I'm refilling my pen like every, 5 or 6 minutes even. And my multi-placer tool, I just squish to death so fast. And I watched a YouTube channel, and I want to say it was Rachel Ray, but sometimes Citrista, and I don't remember, did like an experiment of how long wax lasted, and her wax lasted for hours. And I was like, wow, I'm doing something wrong. So even though I'm going back to Diamond Art Club, and they have the better wax than the cheap stuff, I actually did order some blue tack. So I'm going to start diamond painting with the blue tack and seeing if that lasts longer. And I was excited because I was like, oh, and then I can use that to hang the diamond paintings on the walls, like, especially when I put them in my daughter's room. I don't frame them. I just, cut them down and hang them up. And then my husband was like, oh, no, that stuff's actually really bad for the walls. Okay, I didn't cut this one well, and it's spilling everywhere. So it turns out, blue tack, despite the fact that it's actually made for walls, I'm being told that it's not good for walls, and it can kind of peel the drywall off, or it leaves spots of a different color, so you have to paint, and don't know. Maybe that's still, it's better to paint when you don't have a hole than paint when you do have a hole. I don't know. But my husband tells me I can't put it on the walls. So, blue tack, really excited to try it for diamond painting. Not going to be allowed to use it on my walls. Alright, so I am making my way through this. This video is 10 minutes long. I don't know. Do you like listening to me ramble? Maybe if you do, I'll just keep doing, you know, ramble videos. Maybe I'll kind of do like the whip and chat sort of thing, work on my work in progress, and talk, because I certainly love to talk to myself. I think one of the things I like about YouTube is like a childhood dream. When I would do crafts, I would talk along to myself like I was teaching a craft show, but of course no one was ever going to watch it. And now I actually can talk along to myself. I can tape it, and then like 3 people watch it. So that's pretty exciting. If I had some sort of, you know, production value and actually edited my videos and didn't have the world's worst lighting. Wow, what is going on with this camera? Maybe more people would watch it. I don't know. Why don't you comment below? Like, some of y'all are subscribed to this channel, which I think is incredible. Thank you so much for hanging around. Like, I feel like a lot of people I've picked up since I posted the diamond painting. So, like, are you here for diamond painting? Are you here for quilting? Are you here for, I don't know. What are you here for? What made you subscribe? I would love to know what kind of videos you'd like to see. I have such a goal to make more videos. Like, every time I write down one of those, like, you know, like, weekly goal list. YouTube video is always on my goal list. But then, like I said, I can't edit my videos. I don't have the ability to use the program. See, again, I can't tell. Is this 3881 or is this 3861? I don't know. What number is that? They're different, right? Are those numbers different in the middle, or are they the same? Okay, I'm going to call it 3861. So yeah, so tell me, what kind of videos do you want to see? Do you want to see more diamond painting? Do you want to see me comparing diamond painting supplies? Do you like haul videos? Because let me tell you, I did some more shopping, because what if the world runs out of diamond paintings? I need to have them all. So I did get some more in. I have quite the stash waiting for me. Do you want to see me show off those? Like, is it fun to watch other people shop so that you don't have to spend your own money? You can just watch other people waste theirs. I would love that if you watch my videos. I would really love if you liked and subscribed and gave me a comment and let me know that you're here. It is kind of exciting to know that people like your stuff. I'm going to try to dedicate some time. Oh, see, this is the problem with the chat and do, is I forget what I was talking about. I am going to try to make more videos. It is always on my to-do list. But right now, so I work full-time. Obviously, life with childcare is just a little weird since nobody's allowed to go anywhere. I am lucky my kids are in daycare, but of course, like when they get antsy on the weekends, we can't go to the store. We can't go to the library. You know, we're staying home. We're staying safe. But that makes life a little bit crazier, I think. I'm just, you know, glad we're all healthy, and it's worth it to keep the rest of the community healthy. And but that's a little strange. And then I'm also in school. I'm working on an MBA, and so that takes up a good deal of my time. So if I know people are watching, is red 666? Did DMC do this on purpose? Like, oh, let's get like a fiery, sinful red. That can be 666. Of course, if those are 8s, then my joke didn't make any sense, and honestly, it wasn't a very good one anyway. So anyway, if you subscribe, if you comment, and you tell me you're watching and be like, Jessica, learn how to edit videos so they're not so bad because we like what you're doing, then maybe I'll put it a little bit higher on the priority list, right? Because doesn't everybody like validation? You know, to know someone's out there watching. So anytime if I don't want to start a whole new container, or if I just have random ones, I always just put them in the bottom of my bin here, just in case I'm ever like, oh my God, I need one red. Where's a red? And then I can be like, oh, they're all collected in the bottom here. Also gives my husband a place to put them when he finds them all over the floor. And it doesn't help if I write the number on one lid and then put a different lid on. All right. So sometimes as these bags start getting more full, I'm going to need 2 containers per bag. And it looks to me like this painting is just over the limit of how much is going to fit into one organizational thing. What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by, so that's 30 containers. I think this is going to be just over that. It looks like it's just a few too many. So this is supposed to have an AB upgrade, and I haven't seen the ABs yet. Let's see if we can find them, and I'll show you the ABs. Ah, way too much orange. It's spilling everywhere. I should have been able to tell that that wasn't going to fit. All right, that's way too many to go in the overflow, so I'm going to have to start a separate bin, which means that I'm going to have to take all of these out. Oh, and pour. Yeah, definitely I'm going to have too much to fit into just 30 containers, so I'm going to have to go downstairs and get my second container organizer. I imagine that the people who do like the gigantic ones, that it really takes a lot of bin space. I think I probably won't pour out the largest colors just because I want to keep it to the 30. So let's just maybe fill up the 30. And once I've done that, then I'm going to say that I'm done until I empty a color or two, or finish a color or two, or just go downstairs and get the other organizer is probably what I'm going to need to do here. Oh my God, y'all, these colors are brilliant. Like they're so pretty. Oh, let's see if we can find the AB. See, I'm like a gnat. Oh, there it is. Can y'all see that? Is that gonna? Oh, you can see the sparkle because the lighting is so bad. And honestly, sometimes these sparkle better in bad lighting. Like I noticed that when the sun is setting, my daughter's room, the ones that are hanging, they just shine so much. Okay, so as you can see, these bags are all super full. Like these ones are not going to fit into one container. So I'm going to leave you here. I'm just going to say that I'm done. I'm going to come back up to my face so I can say goodbye to y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for listening to me ramble. Let me know like what you want to hear me chat about, what you want to see me making, what kind of videos you're here for. If you can give me a like and a subscribe, let me know you're here. I would love to say hi. Thanks. Bye.